The Island Girl team is proud to present 14143 Bethesda Lane. Move right into this newly remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the sought-after waterfront community of South Gulf Cove in Port Charlotte. And bring your boat, because South Gulf Cove has over 55 miles of canals that wind through the area, leading straight to Charlotte Harbor and out to the Gulf of Mexico. All residents can take advantage of the community boat launch at South Gulf Cove Park, just a 7-minute drive from this home. When you step through the front door, the first thing you'll notice is the fantastic open floor plan and bright and airy interior. Natural light floods into the living room, dining room and kitchen with Lanai access via glass sliders. Notice the new wood-look tile flooring in the living room and oversized tile in the kitchen and dining area. You'll love how the kitchen is set up for entertaining with a pass-through window out to the Lanai. The kitchen also features new Corian Countertops, new cabinets and appliances that are all less than 2 years old. There's space for a casual eating area in the kitchen or use the dining room for family meals. The master bedroom has new carpet, a walk-in closet and Lanai access via sliders. Both the master bath and guest bath have been remodeled with double vanities and sinks. There's room for family and friends to visit with 2 extra bedrooms, both with walk-in closets and new carpet as well. Live the outdoor Florida lifestyle on your spacious, covered Lanai with new picture window screening. With the large backyard, there's so much potential. There's room for a pool and spa, plus the concrete pad area that can be used as a fire pit area or shed. Other great features of the home include fresh paint inside and out, a large separate laundry room, new AC unit, new lighting, new electrical panel, and new trees and landscaping for added curb appeal. The roof and water heater are also only 2 years old. This home has so much potential. It's ready and waiting for you to move in and make it yours. Plus, it's close to all the things that make living in Southwest Florida great: golf, fishing, beaches, boating, shopping, and of course, our famous Gulf of Mexico sunsets. Call the Island Girl team and start living your Florida dream today.